Honorable Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, and respected all the teachers, my dear friends and loving brothers and sisters. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. As we all know, we had been going through the pandemic of COVID-19. SARS-CoV-2, the formal name of the virus. It started from somewhere else and spread it all over the world, causing widespread devastation. Yes, many people left this world, and we must pray for them that their souls must rest in peace. No matter what happened in this lockdown, we must regain our hopes and start preparing ourselves for the next challenges which had been coming. In this lockdown which began from 24th of March, our school online class from the 1st of April. We are really thankful to the authority for arranging such type of online classes. It really had been a great experience for the students here to enjoy such a new opportunity to this type of new classes which we had never experienced before. Everything happens for a reason. And if we think that COVID-19 just caused devastation, frustration and many more damages to our whole earth, then I think it will be wrong, because it also taught us many things, like that how to use technology. We were not aware of technology, how to use it, how we can it will be beneficial for us. And in this online mode, we learned how to use it. I would like to say that our whole country has been developed so much, we didn't know that really. So at last, I would like to thank all the teachers of Northeastern English Academy for guiding us in this whole lockdown and paying their full support to us. As well, I would like to add that COVID-19 is not over yet. We should follow the precautions, like following social distancing, wearing masks, sanitizing ourselves, and so more. A second wave of this virus has been now introduced. So we must be more aware of this. Vaccines are now available in most parts of our country. And especially in India, people are getting afraid to take this vaccine because they are still not aware that this can do no harm to them. So we should also raise our awareness to those people who are refusing to take the vaccine. It was reported that 1 of 4 take the vaccine. Much vaccines are getting wasted because after opening a vaccine, it should be provided to a person in 4 hours. But it is not happening, and therefore the most wastage of vaccines is happening in India as per reported by WHO. And thank you for Principal Sir for offering me the chance to speak, and thank you so much, sir.
Big hand.
Heartfelt thanks to you, Samir, and you really deserve the thanks because your speech was full of information, that was much informative, as well as it was constructive. Because she has touched almost everything in this concept. That was really very compact, but touching all. Okay, that was really